Odyssey ODX-AGM31M battery exposed. Why boaters and RV owners are ditching regular batteries. Let's be real. If your marine or RV battery's dying early, overheating, or forcing you into annoying pit stops, you're not alone. Feeling stuck on the water or stranded at camp thanks to weak cranking power or dead electronics is beyond frustrating. Constant battery failures waste your time, your focus, and straight up ruin your adventures. Outdated batteries just can't keep up with today's power-hungry onboard tech. And don't even get started on the slow recharge times or batteries that croak at the first sign of vibration or harsh weather. Sound familiar? That draining feeling isn't just your battery, it's your motivation fading. Now imagine it's worse. You're on open water or deep in the woods when your battery gives out, again. Dead start, no electronics, total shutdown. Your boat's trolling motor is toast. Your RV fridge? Done. Your confidence? Crushed. And those constant replacements? Killing your wallet. Every missed catch or cancelled trip digs deeper. You're stuck waiting hours for a recharge that should have taken minutes. Between heat, shock, and unreliable batteries, you're not adventuring, you're surviving. Missing out on real memories because your battery's stuck in the past. It's not just frustrating anymore. It's embarrassing. Time to flip the script. The Odyssey ODX-AGM31M Extreme Series isn't your average battery, it's a power-hungry beast engineered for legends. This dual-purpose AGM battery combines 2,150 pulse cranking amps with insane deep cycling capabilities, up to 400 discharges at 80% depth without flinching. With twice the power and triple the lifespan of old-school batteries, it's made for hardcore boaters, RV warriors, and heavy-duty rigs. Built with 99.99% pure lead plates, it's vibration-resistant, spill-proof, and fully maintenance-free. Translation? It works harder, lasts longer, and stays tougher when your adventure demands it. Your battery shouldn't slow you down, it should supercharge your freedom. With the Odyssey ODX-AGM31M, you'll experience rapid recharge in as little as 4 to 6 hours, insane cranking power even in extreme temperatures, and zero worries about leaks or maintenance. Whether you're trolling, starting, or powering a fridge, this battery's raw energy delivers every time. Rugged construction means it shrugs off vibration, shock, and weather abuse. It's ideal for marine, RV, automotive, and heavy-duty applications alike. Simply put, this battery outworks everything else. If you're done playing games with underpowered setups, it's time to step up. Want to see real power? Stick around, we're about to break it all down. Thousands of boaters and RV owners already made the switch, now it's your turn. Stop settling for weak, short-lived batteries. Upgrade to the Odyssey ODX-AGM31M today. But here's the kicker. Demand is skyrocketing, and stock won't last. Act now, before you're left stranded again. This battery's not just a buy, it's peace of mind, guaranteed. Engineered tough, backed by serious trust signals, and designed for pros who refuse to compromise. Secure yours today, join the power elite, and never let your adventures stall again. Limited stock, unlimited freedom, grab yours before it's gone. Don't wait. Own your power.